Let's have another topic, how to use there and there. There, there. When we say there, it is an expletive, meaning it starts a phrase. Example, there comes the bride. There comes the bride. Another example, there is something we need to consider. There is something we need to consider. Another use of there is to mean a location or a place. Example, put it there. Put it there. Another example, you can see it there. You can see it there. On the other hand, when we say there, it is a possessive form of the pronoun they. Possessive form of the pronoun they. Example, this is their house. This is their house, meaning that this house belongs to them. Another example, this project is theirs. This project is theirs, meaning to say that this project belongs to them. This project belongs to them. I hope you know how to use there and there. Thank you.